Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can connect your MEMEFI coin to your OKX wallet. So first of all, you need to go on the top right, you'll see three dots and you'll press on these three dots and this is what you'll see. Now from here you need to go on share. Once you go on share, this is the menu that you'll see, and from here you just need to press on copy link. Now, after you copy the link, you need to come onto your OKX Wallet application and you need to go right down here on Discover. And here what you're going to do is on the search bar, you're going to paste the link that you've copied from your MEMEFI. It will automatically redirect you after you paste that link and enter it into your OKX Wallet. And now, as you can see, the OKX Wallet app is showing up right here. You can see its icon. So what you're going to want to do is you'll press on that icon. Right after you press on it, you'll see this pop up and you'll press on check this task. And the final step is when you see this, you will just click on connect to OKX app. And after that, it will successfully connect to your OKX wallet. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.